Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Facebook with your WhatsApp without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come to settings and privacy right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on settings. Just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to professional mode right here. Go ahead and click on professional mode. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on WhatsApp. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your WhatsApp number right here. Then go ahead and click on send code to WhatsApp. And Facebook is going to send you a code, the WhatsApp number. So the code is here, 56749 56774 749. Just like so. Choose a Meta business portfolio. So right here, you can choose any of your page right here. Connecting your page to Facebook WhatsApp will add both profile to business portfolio. This lets you message your portfolio together on Meta business suite, like sharing photo and comparing insight across them. You have reached your limit for the number of portfolio you can create about creating this. Choose a existing business portfolio you can add. So right here, you have some of the pages right here that you can easily connect. So I'm going to use this particular first page right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down and hit on continue. So here you go. You can see now connected to one WhatsApp number right here. So if I click on it again, you find out that the WhatsApp has been connected right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.